Bathroomies! Oh.
Go to the bathroom. Why would you think I was gonna molest our roommate? You didn't say that, did you? Well, what are you guys doing up?
Bathroom?
I knew it. You guys are just as perfect as me.
I am not. I have a girlfriend. I was just gonna watch Bridget sleep.
That is creepy.
What? No, it's not. What were you gonna do?
I felt negative energy coming from her aura. I was just going to comfort her. With your penis? I have to focus the cosmic energy somehow.
Oh, by fondling her?
The universe works in mysterious ways.
What's going on?
Hey, sunshine! I'm
really tired.
What are you guys doing?
Sleepwalking. Pancakes. I'm hungry.
Wait, are you guys watching me sleep?
Patrick was. We tried to stop him.
What? Ronnie?
I cannot tell a lie. Patrick wanted to watch you sleep.
These guys were gonna molest you.
What? Way to throw us under the bus. Wow, that is not cool.
What? You guys threw me under the bus.
Yeah, but you're supposed to be the one with morals.
He's the one starting a religion.
Not one with morals.
Guys, is this really happening right now?
What are you doing up? How do we know you aren't coming to do something to us?
Good point. Your aura was so negative. Uber negative.
Wait, I was just gonna watch you sleep, so...
Oh, well, maybe you want to come join me then?
Really?
No, go to bed.
Our own bed?
Yes.
You just mean Ronnie and Patrick,
Everyone.
right? But your aura...
Everyone.
Can I still comfort you?
Can you do it from a distance?
Fine. I can do mine from a distance, too.
Ew.
I was just gonna watch you sleep, so if you want...
kind of weird.
Somebody say pancakes?
Really?